This is the DW850 that I got from Mygrant that they won't warranty. Now look, there's one crack right there. Is that? Yep, that's where it comes to one edge. And there's no crunchy bits on the side of this windshield. And there's no impact. It's got my gold lines from my Sharpie. And coming all the way over to the other side. There's the crack. No crunchy bits on the glass. Just a very badly shaped piece of glass. It's like super flat compared to other 848s or 850s that I've seen. You know, and I noted, I mean, you can see the dimple in this bottom corner right there where it's not shaped right. And so, quality control, folks. They don't have it at FYG for this windshield, and Mygrant doesn't stand behind their product. Shame on them.